Hello everyone, welcome to Yellow Grace. In this video, I am going to talk about trim function.
This function removes spaces from a piece of text. The space before and after will be removed completely. In case of multiple spaces within the text, it will be trimmed to single space. Let's understand with the help of example. I have taken yellow grace as an example with different spaces. In order to know the different space, let's find the length of the text. Equal to len, open the bracket, select the cell reference of the text, close the bracket and press enter. For the first text, yellow grace, the length is 12. Let's drag the cell and check the length of the other cell also. See, the length varies according to the spaces available in between the text. In this example, the text is similar, that is yellow grace, which consists of 11 characters. But in case of space, in each text there exist different spaces which can be observed with the help of length function. Say in first yellow grace, there is one single space, and in case of second one, two spaces are available. In case of third, two. In case of fourth, there are three spaces are available, and in case of fifth, there are 5 spaces are available. Let's learn to remove the extra spaces using trim function. Equal to trim, open the bracket, select the text, close the bracket and press enter. Then drag the cell to get the result for the other text also. Now let's cross check with the help of length function. Equal to len, open the bracket, select the text, close the bracket and press enter and drag the cells. Here we can observe that the length of all the text are similar. Using trim function, the result shows that the unwanted spaces are removed. Now a question arises. Is there any function to remove the complete spaces? Even I don't want a single space in between the text. Let's try this with the help of substitute function. Equal to substitute, open the bracket and select the text, comma, insert space inside the double inverted comma, then inside double inverted comma, which represents there is no space, then close the bracket and press enter. This is in case of substitute function. Let's drag. Let's cross check with the help of length function. Equal to len, open the bracket, select the text, close the bracket and press enter. In case of trim function, the results are trimmed to single spaces which is needed in between two texts. In case of substitute function, all the spaces are completely removed, which shows 11 is the length of the text, which represents the length of the characters, that is 11. Let's try to remove the spaces in between the text with the help of find and replace function. Select the text, press Ctrl H, a dialog box of find and replace appears. I want to find the space, so I'll give one space. Then I don't want to give any space in between or before or after the text, so I'll leave the replace box as empty. Then I'll give replace all. Close. See, all the spaces are removed using find and replace, and the length of the text is 11. Let's learn how to remove spaces for a numbers. For example, I am going to import some numerical data and I want to do summation of those numerical data. Let's try equal to sum, open the bracket, select the cell range, close the bracket and press enter. See, I have given so many numerical values, but I got the result as only 6169. It is because there is a space in between the numbers. Let's check the length of each example with the help of length function. See, in between the numbers there exists some space. In order to do calculations, we need to remove all those extra spaces. Let's try with trim function. Equal to trim, open the bracket, select the text, close the bracket and press enter. Drag the cell. Let's cross check these results with the help of length function. Equal to length, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket and press enter. See, using trim function, the spaces in between the numbers are not removed. So, if we do calculation also, we won't get the result. Let's cross check. Let's find out the summation of those result of the trim function. See, the result is 0. Let's try substitute function for those examples. Equal to substitute, select the cell, comma, insert space inside the double inverted comma, then inside only double inverted comma which represents empty space, then close the bracket, press enter. Then drag the cell. Let's check the summation of the result of the substitute function. See, here also we are getting 0. Why we are getting 0? Because in this result the values are text strings while we want it as numbers. To fix this, we will use the value function along with this substitute function. In case of substitute function, all the spaces are removed. Even though all the spaces are removed, by using substitute function, we are getting the summation result as 0. It is because all the numbers are converted as text strings. To avoid these problems, we have to use substitute function along with value function. That is, equal to type value, open the bracket, type substitute, open the bracket, select the text which we want to convert, type comma, insert space, inside double inverted comma, then type comma, then insert only double inverted comma, which represents the absence of space, then close the bracket and drag the cells to get the results for all the examples. If we observe here, all the numbers are converted as number and all the extra spaces are removed. Let's check whether we are getting the summation value for the obtained result. See, I am getting the total value for the given numbers. Is there any method instead of using value and substitute function? Yes, by using find and replace, we can able to remove the spaces. Let's try with find and replace. Select the cell, press Ctrl H. In find, type a single space. In replace, leave the box as empty, then replace all. See, all the spaces are removed by using find and replace, and the values are in number strings. Let's cross check with the help of summation whether we are getting the summation of the result. Yes, we are getting the result. I hope you understand how to remove spaces in case of text strings and number strings. Thank you.